Yeah, welcome back. Now, as I said, I wanted to have the combo box should be given. Okay, I want to have a combo box should be given to all these fields. Okay, so let me give 2-3 things. One is region, second one is representative, third one is item. These three I wanted to create a combo box out of this. How will you do that? Okay, just highlight these all three. Yeah, before that I wanted to confirm, is the screen is visible? Say yes, no,
Yes,
something.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll just show that once again. Okay, so highlight select these three fields which I wanted to create a combo box out of it. Copy this, okay, and paste it separately in the other sheet or in the same sheet, however you feel comfortable. Okay, so we have done that. Now we wanted unique out of this. Okay, we wanted to have unique things out of this so that we can work on that. Okay, now how will you find out unique? Any guess? Go to data, okay, and remove duplicate. Please make a note of it. Okay, go to data menu and make a remove duplicate so that we can remove the unnecessary things. Click on that. It will ask you to continue. Please click on continue and remove the duplicates. Now look at it. It has deleted all the things, leaving only these three. We'll repeat the same thing again for other two. Remove duplicate, continue, remove duplicate, and click on OK. So I have these many number of representatives. Okay, go to third, remove duplicate, continue, remove duplicate, so that I'm going to have only those items which are there in the database. Okay, so I got unique items over here. So it will be done with the help of menu called as a data remove duplicate. I have done that. Okay, this only for understanding, we are keeping it over here. You can make it more systematically. These things you can copy it in the another sheet. Okay, so rather I'll do that also for you people. I'll just copy these and paste it in another sheet. That will be more comfortable for you also to understand. Okay, just cut this. Okay, keep it in the different sheet here. Okay, what is the name of the sheet? I'm keeping the datas. Okay, so somewhere else I'm going to give the datas. Okay, come back to your working sheet where it is. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so we are working in a sheet number 3. I want here, instead of these three writing over here, I wanted combo box over here. How will you do that? Okay, to do this, it's very simple. Okay, go to data, go to data validation. Okay, go to data validation, choose list box, choose list. Okay, and give the source. For what we are doing source here, region. Okay, so I'll give the source for this. Click on datas and choose these three: east, central, and west. East, central, and west. Click on OK. Now look at it. I got my list combo box. Okay, if I click on central, it automatically works for me. Now I need not to tell how to do that. You are quite smart people. I'll go for representatives. Okay, so if there is a representatives, I can say that. Again, go for data validation, choose list, source, click on datas. Okay, here are the representatives. Okay, I should not have heading of this. Okay, I should take only the remaining part of it. Okay, you may get REP also. I should not have that. Click on OK. Now look at it. I got combo box for representatives. It's absolutely, I need not remember the names with the spellings. Okay, because spellings may have some confusions with us. Okay, Gil, you write like this, I may write something else. Okay, should not be. I repeat it for item. Click on the cell over here, go to data validation, choose list again, go to the source, go to the data where it is available, choose the all the products list here. Click on OK. Look at it. I'll take items out of it. Accordingly, my function is, look at it. Every time I choose something else, some new figures are coming out over here. Look at it. Please have an eye on this. I'll change Gil to someone else, Andrews. Okay, the number is changing. I'll change easy sells some other product. Yeah, he sells at the central region. And I'm going to get a summation of how much he is selling. Summation of how much he is selling. So I can make the life of a manager more simpler. So whenever you're going to use the database formulas, many things I'll just repeat them so that you can keep it forever as a tool available to you. Okay, data which is created should be given a name. Okay, it can be done with the database naming. I shown you that. Go to the formula and create a name for it. Okay, second thing, we are going to keep all the names of the fields so that I can write a query. Writing a query is very simple. I'm going to give whatever you wanted below that. I'm going to do that. Third thing, I'm going to use these formulas which are called as a DB formulas. Okay, so it starts with a D. Without D, it is only summation. Summation will give you only whatever the column or the row which you are used, only that it will going to give a summation. dsum will going to treat you as what is that query you wanted to have it. Okay, so you wanted to have a query for the given database for the particular field. Okay, for the particular field. Okay, this is something like this. Sum of yeah, any queries, guys? Any queries? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So yeah, some any queries are any questions? Okay, no question. I thought there are maybe some questions are there. Okay. Now, how many such functions are available? That should be the next question. Please make a note of these. D database functions. D count, you are already known to it. dsum we spoke about. Okay, there is something called as a dmin, minimum, database maximum. I can take it from database. My database average is there, and I can go with database standard deviation. Okay, these all things can be calculated. These all things. Please make a note of it. Okay, it all works in a similar fashion. It all works in a similar fashion. Okay, how exactly we are spoken with dsum. I'll just show you the d average of it so that we can work on that. Okay, so I'll just show this with the same query. I'm going to use it. D average. Database is the store for our understanding. For this example, okay, average of what? Unit cost, I'll take it in this case. Okay, for the same coin. Now I'll just remove this entry and binder. So it will going to be average of central region, average cost of central region. Okay, if I take it as average cost of average unit cost of central region with respect to pen, look at it, 6.465, something like that. Okay, I'll just magnify that so that you can see that. Yes, I can remove these decimals and all. Yeah. Instead of pen, how much is pen set? 11 rupees, $11, whatever it is. Shall we move on to the next concept? So these are the functions. I'll just show you which are the functions are there. Please make a note once again. Okay, these are the set of functions are there. I'll just magnify them so that you can make a note of it. D count, D sum, D min, D max, D average, D standard deviation. Now, should I remember all of them? No. Have one function clarity with you. Okay, if you can manage one, you can manage one, you can do others. Okay, it will go in the similar fashion. Okay, so you need not to remember that. As it in you give is equals to D, it comes. Okay, it absolutely comes. If you write sum, it comes like, look at it. D standard deviation, D sum, everything will come. You need not to remember these function formulas. Only thing that you should know what is the intention you wanted to have. What is that query you wanted to conduct? Okay, so if you can remember the query you wanted to conduct, it automatically happens. Okay, now I think without wasting much time, I'll go to another concept. Okay, there are many ways we can extract the data. Okay, I'll just magnify this so that you can see something. Okay, yeah, can you see better combo box here? Yeah, this is absolutely combo box, right? Can I have the combo box like this? Will that really work for me? Okay, so this is the query which normally will have. Can I make some dynamic things out of the data which is having in the Excel format? Okay, so to do this quickly, we need to have note of it. Okay, we should include, there is something called as a developer coming over here. By default, it will not be active. Okay, where this is available, file, options, okay, custom ribbon. This will be available over here. So your menu will be by default, developer is disabled. Just give a check to this. Okay, just give a check to this. Yeah, I'm sorry, some network issues here. Okay, I repeat, it's available under file, options, custom ribbon. Okay, you will find the menu over here. Okay, if I take off this developer, click on OK, look at it, developer is going to disabled. It's not available over here. Okay, so I need to have that developer should be enabled. Click on option, go to custom ribbon and enable this developer. Okay, click on OK. So that will be enabled for us. Is it visible now? Okay, it is available for me. Okay, now I'll go for click on developer. Okay, small things we are going to take it, and the next class we are going to take it further from here. Okay, so look at it. I wanted to have some form controls. Look at it. There are many controls are there. We may not be able to cover everything. Okay, few things whichever are necessary and important, I'm going to take it. Okay, so there are two parts are there: form controls and ActiveX controls. ActiveX controls will be used for VBA programming, which is not going to be the discussion of the sessions. Okay, so I'll be going for form controls. Okay, you can, as in when you go out there, you will see that button is there. Okay, combo box is there, check box are there. Okay, radio buttons are there. We can use all these things. Okay, so I'll start with the very first one is combo box, which is very simple to understand. Okay, I'll just click on this and I'll try to draw it over here. How to draw? Hold the right button and give the size for it. Okay, I repeat once again. Okay, go to file menu, go to options, custom ribbon, activate the developer. Okay, under developer menu, you will find these all things. Okay, in that you will find something called as a insert controls. Okay, in that form controls are there. Okay, in that form controls are there. I'm going to teach you how exactly combo box can be utilized. Click on combo box and give a rectangular shape so that you can draw a beautiful combo box for you. I hope it is clear. Now, how will you give the fields for it? Okay, right click on this. Okay, and go to form control. Right click on this, go to format control. You'll get a menu. Okay, right click on the combo box which you have designed. Go to format control. Give the input range. Okay, where is the input range? For example, in this case, I wanted to show all the names of the people over here. Okay, from here to here, I'll give the inputs. Okay, all the names of the students. Click on this. Okay, second one, very important. Okay, if I select anything, where it should give me the output, I'll just give it exactly below that here. Okay, it will going to give me a number. Okay, so if I click on this, it will going to give a number. I'll click on OK. That's it, you are done the settings. Now you can see all the names are appearing over here. Whichever I have selected, it will going to come. I'll just change the names of the students so it will be more meaningful. Okay, so on. Okay, now look at it. All the names are there with me. If I click on first one, Sharad, it gives me 1. If I click on Urmila, it gives me 4. Look at it. Is it 4th one? Yes, it is. Okay, nothing to do with the serial number. It gives me the index of it. Okay, if I click on Praveen, it gives me fifth one. So with this I can do a lot of things. With this I can do a lot of things. I hope you understood how to set the combo box. Please ask if it need to be repeated or something like that. Is it clear? Yes, no. Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shall I go with next part? Okay. Now, if I set the combo box, can I get his marks? Can I get his marks? Okay. So you click on Manju, I should get his marks over here. Say, for example, I wanted his marks for maths. Sorry. How much he has scored for maths? How much he has scored for science? Okay. How much he has scored for English? Something like that. Okay. So how will I get that? Click on Manju, I should get the number. Click on Praveen, I should get his marks. Okay. From here, I can identify that. Okay. From combo box, I can identify. I wanted fifth one. Okay. To do this, I have to learn one more function called as offset. Okay. Called as offset. What is this offset is? Offset is going to give me the data from the reference given row number and the column number. I repeat. Okay, for example, I wanted to have an offset from the reference, which cell you wanted to have the row number and the column number. Okay, so how I can do that? Okay, just understand first the function. I'll use the offset for you. Invariably, what do you call it as? Whatever the marks is over here, I'll use the offset into bracket. Okay, I will have it a reference from here. Okay, I will have a reference from here. Okay, so I'll take it as 1, 1. I'll give 1, 1. Some output will come. What is that? 35. From here, 35, where it is below science. That means from this reference maths, it took 1 column left and 1 row down. Are you understanding? So rectangularly, it will going to go for second row, third column, something like that. Okay. So now I'll go. I think you are understanding what is the offset is going to do for us. Okay. So C1C, it will going to have it. Okay. So I'm going to use this particular function to identify how much I can get it for the Praveen. Okay. So we can identify the row number, right? 5 is Praveen. Okay. So I'll do that. Okay. So I'll start with is equals to offset into bracket. Okay, reference is from here, comma. I know it is first column, so I need not to worry about it, comma. Whatever is given over here, I'll take it. So now look at it. B1. Second column, sorry. 5 is here, right? Okay. It is coming 0 is equals to offset from this number 5. Okay. Offset from here 1, 5. Sorry, 1, this cell. Subject. What is the subject? Okay, it goes up to that. Okay. So I'm given other way around. It is supposed to be column number, 1. Of Praveen. Okay. I repeat, is equals to offset into bracket from here row number followed by column number. Okay, I'll change Praveen to Manjunath. Am I right? Manjunath has scored 37 in maths. Well, I'll repeat it again. Offset into bracket from B1, comma, row number is this, comma, 2. 33 is equals to offset into bracket from here, comma, this, comma, 3. Okay, now you change any name. Accordingly, it will going to give me the marks of it. Are you catching this? Are you able to understand? Look at it once. Look at it once. So I keep changing the name. I'm going to get the scores of the student. So this is how exactly offset will going to help us. Okay, offset will going to give us dynamically. If you change certain things, it will going to. I can have multiple combo box. I can have combo box and radio button. Okay, say for example, gender and the division, something like that. Subject and the name of the student. I can do the combination and I am going to get a data out of it, so that on that I can do a lot of things with respect to dashboard. Okay, please make a note of it. Offset will work from reference row number followed by column number. Row number is available for us. Row number is 5 because Praveen is at 5th level. Okay, column number 3 because I am extracting the English because that is at the 3rd column from the reference. Okay, so this is how exactly it will go to work. So for example, this is English is for the Praveen is over here. I'll just mark it with the yellow color. Yeah, look at it. Offset from B1, that is the name heading. K10 is 5, so 5th row, 3rd column. If I give 4th column, it will going to give me 102. I need not to extract it, so that I can extract it using help of it. So how I extract? Just pull this menu, give whatever the name. If I click on Sharad, it will going to give me the names of the, so that I can work on it. Say in case I wanted to show a small bar graph of this. Look at it. Sorry, I choose the wrong data. Okay, I'll choose insert bar graph. Yeah, look at it. This is working for me. How much Sharad has done? Change it to Manju. Is it interesting? Look at it. I'll change it to Urmila. Bars are changing. So this is how exactly dynamically I can work on the combinations of combo box, offset, and many more things to come. Many more things to come. I hope you are understood. Some new learnings happened, I believe. Okay, and we are going to add many more things. Okay, and we'll see how exactly the things can be taken to the next level. which will going to be discussed tomorrow, which will going to be a dashboard. I'm just changing it to pie chart to show you effective things. Yeah. Change it to something like this. So now you can say Praveen is good at what? Praveen is equal in all the subject. Okay. We'll see what is Amar is good at. Amar is good at science. Sorry, English. Okay, followed by science and then the maths. Maths is a bit poor. I can have such judgments will be there. Yeah, quick questions with respect to the today's session. Almost 1 more minute is left. If you can quickly ask some questions or you can message me also. All the messages, all the mails are welcome. Okay, any queries are there with respect to previous sessions, you can message me. Please do refer all the videos if any queries are there so that it will going to be helpful for you. Quickly, any queries? Only 1 minute left. Yeah, otherwise, please say one for we are understood and we are learned something. If it is the case, please message me one so that I'll be happily have a good night with you people. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, yeah, stay tuned, stay healthy. Okay, keep learning. I hope you are going to be a business analytics personalities very soon. Thank you very much and good night. See you again tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Okay, please connect with the laptop so that we can share it also. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Good night.